This is your mind, a vast and intricate landscape, more complex than any map could ever chart, not the calm, peaceful place you'd like it to be. A sanctuary of serenity and bliss. No, it's more like a haunted house, filled with echoes of the past and whispers of anxieties yet to come. You never really leave. Once you enter, the doors lock behind you and the shadows become your constant companions. You ever notice how your brain never lets you rest? It's always on. A tireless machine churning out thoughts, worries, and what-ifs. Even in the quiet, thoughts crawl in. Like unwelcome guests, they slip through the cracks and fill the silence with their unsettling presence. It's like a flickering TV, stuck on a channel showing your worst fears on a loop. The volume is always cranked up, and the images are burned into your memory. Shadows darting in the corners, memories that won't fade, wild ideas that make you question who you are. Leaving you adrift in a sea of uncertainty, wondering if you truly know yourself at all. Your mind feeds you jump scares at 2 a.m., when your defenses are down, and the darkness amplifies every fear. What if you forgot to lock the door? A simple question that spirals into a terrifying scenario. What if you said something wrong? Replaying the conversation over and over, searching for hidden meanings and imagined slights. What if that shape in the corner isn't just a shadow? A primal fear lurking in the darkness, feeding on your vulnerability. It's relentless. A never-ending barrage of thoughts and emotions crashing against the shores of your mind. It's loud. A cacophony of anxieties and insecurities drowning out the whispers of reason and hope. Sometimes the thoughts are so bizarre you wonder if anyone else thinks like this. Lost in your own internal world, feeling like an alien in a world of seemingly normal minds. But trust me, everyone's mind has its own horror movie marathon playing behind their eyes. A private screening of their deepest fears and darkest secrets. The difference is, most people don't talk about it. They keep their inner demons locked away, afraid of judgment or ridicule. You try to change the channel, but the remote's broken. You're trapped in this loop of negativity, unable to escape the relentless stream of unwanted thoughts. Flashbacks, worries, embarrassing moments from years ago. They all show up uninvited, like ghosts at your mental dinner party. Reliving past mistakes and cringing at forgotten faux pas. And the more you try to ignore them, the louder they get. Their voices amplify, demanding your attention and fueling your anxieties. It's not just fear either, it's regret, guilt, anxiety, the sense that something's just off. A persistent feeling of unease, like a discordant note in an otherwise harmonious melody. Your mind likes to show you scenes you wish you could forget. Faces, sounds, even the way the air felt that day. Every detail, no matter how insignificant, is etched into your memory, ready to be replayed at any moment. The reel keeps spinning. A relentless cycle of thoughts and emotions playing out on the screen of your mind. But here's the thing. There's a crucial distinction to be made. These thoughts, they're not reality. They are merely interpretations, projections, and possibilities. They're just the mind doing what it does best. Creating, imagining, warning, sometimes lying. It's a storyteller, a dreamer, and sometimes a deceiver. They're the flickers in the dark, not the monster itself. The shadows may be frightening, but they are not tangible threats. So next time your brain starts its midnight horror show, remember, you're not alone in the theater. We all experience these internal struggles, these moments of fear and doubt. We all have skeletons rattling around up there. Hidden anxieties and past traumas that haunt our thoughts. What matters is you get to choose how you react. You have the power to control your response to these internal stimuli. You can scream, give in to the fear and let it consume you. Or you can laugh. Find humor in the absurdity of your fears and diminish their power. Or maybe, just maybe, you can sit back and watch it play out, knowing it's just a movie in your head. Acknowledge the thoughts without judgment and let them pass like clouds in the sky. Because this is important. This is your mind, your inner world, your personal universe, and the scariest stories, the ones that truly terrify us, they're the ones we tell ourselves. The narratives we create about our own lives, our own fears, and our own limitations.